Hey fam, it's your homeboy the African Kid and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, kindly do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified each and every single time I get to upload a brand new video. But before any further ado, as the title suggests, ladies and gentlemen, today we are actually going to do a tutorial on how to upload your videos on YouTube. And this is a very simple process. As you can see on the screen right now, I'm already logged in to my YouTube channel, that is the African Kid. Please kindly do me that special favor, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because this is a place where we get to learn, get entertained, learn more about history and education. So anyways, when you already signed into your YouTube channel, you come here to the top right. There is this video like icon. When you put your cursor there, it tells you to create, so you click on it. It gives you two options to either upload a video or go live. So basically today I'm going to show you how to upload a video. So we are going to click on upload video. So what YouTube actually does, when you click on upload video, it takes you straight to YouTube Creator Studio. Now that is where you get to manage all your video content. Like, that is where everything about YouTube is. So it brings what you see right now on the screen, upload videos. So we come here, we click on select files. Now when you click on select files, it will give you an opportunity to go to the preferred stored location of your content. So what you'll basically do, you'll have to choose your content. So basically, let me find my content right here. All right. Let me just choose. Okay, let me choose this. All right, so when you choose the video that you want to upload, then boom, the screen changes. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, here are 4 steps that you have to go through while you're uploading your YouTube channel. First, you have to put all the details. As you can see, the first thing you have to do is the title of your video. Put the suitable title of your video, how you want your video to be called. The second thing you will do here on details is the description, what the video actually entails. That's very important. Now on the third step, on your details, you have the thumbnail. So if you know how to design one a thumbnail, or when you upload the video, they will give you options of the thumbnails from the video itself. So yeah, this is where, if it's an image, you come upload your thumbnail right here. Playlist. So if you have playlist on your YouTube channel, there is a way which you want your YouTube videos to appear. Now you can select the playlist where you want the uploading video to go, and it is that easy. And come here to the audience. Now here to the audience brings a lot of problems, so you have to choose. If the video is suitable for kids, then you can say yes, it's made for kids. But if it is not suitable for kids, then you can say no, it's not made for kids. Now you come here to age restriction, show more settings. All right, paid promotions. If you're advertising a product, or there is a product placement or sponsorship, or we are endorsing a certain person or a certain company or a certain product, then you can actually come there and click, just to let YouTube know that there is a paid promotion on your video. Now this is the fun part, the tags. So basically, the more reason why you have to put tags is to enable your video to be spread along YouTube. So basically, most of the time you put tags which are related to your videos. which is very important. Language and caption certifications, those are things you can actually do. Record date and location. Now when you're done with that, you choose the category to which your video falls, whether news and politics, whether entertainment, whether comedy, whether people and blogs. You see, and then you come to comments and ratings. Here to comments and ratings, it gives you a chance to, like, decide how you want your comments to appear. You can also hide your comments. So as the video uploads, ladies and gentlemen, that's actually the most important part while you're uploading your YouTube videos. You have to get your details right. Then when you get your details right, then it is that simple, ladies and gentlemen. So what you're just going to do after you filled in your details is you're going to go to the next step, and this next step is the video element, of which most of the time there is not much to it. Then you go to checks and you go to visibility, and it will give you an option to either publish the video, which I'm actually gonna show you on this video. As you can see down here, we still at 46% uploading. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, let us wait for this video to finish uploading. Then we are going to go to the next step right here, right now. So anyways, kindly do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell if you're new here, and let us enjoy this ride on YouTube. But anyways, yeah, let us take a few minutes so that the video will finish uploading and we go to the next step. Okay, my people, so basically the video has completed to upload. I just put a few details here, the title, the description. As you can see right here on the thumbnail, that's what YouTube gives you, but you can actually as well create your own custom thumbnail. As you can see here on audience, I just said this video is not for meant for kids. The tags, you can put as many tags as you wish. Just make sure you don't surpass the 500 words mark. So yeah, I think everything is set, but in details you have to put the right details. Alright, so when you're done with details, you go to the second step, which is the video elements. So I'm going to click next, and as you can see, this is what it brings you. So yeah, you can decide add and screen, promote related content at the end of the video. You can as well add another link here, add cards, promote related content during your video. All right, when you're done with that, you can go to the next step, which is the third step, the checks. So we click next, and the checks, as you can see, it tells you that there was no copyright found on the video, which is a good thing. And yeah, after that you go to the final step, which is the visibility, where it will give you these options, save or publish. So you can decide to make that video private. You can unlist that video so that anyone with the video link can watch your video. You can do put it public so that everyone can watch your video. You can actually set it as a premiere, and if you want to set it as a premiere, you click on public, then you come to schedule. So you have to schedule when you want the video to premiere. So you click set as a premiere, then you schedule the video. So the process is complete. So the video will actually be available on your YouTube channel at that particular time you decided to schedule the video. So for us, we scheduled the video to premiere on June 16th at exactly 12 a.m. in the midnight. So yeah, basically that is all. And you can see down here, this is the YouTube this is the videos link, so you can actually copy that link and share it with your friends, share it to any other social media platform. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that was the tutorial on how to upload your videos on YouTube. It is simple like it is. Once you have your YouTube channel and you feel like you want to start this whole YouTube career journey, that's how it is done. I want to thank every single person for watching this video, and remember, if you're new here, kindly do me a favor, do hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified each and every single time I get to upload you a brand new video. But ladies and gentlemen, adios. We shall meet till the next video. Hope you have a good time.